Alright, so back in the OpenSea, we got our NFT that we want to sell, and all we gotta do to sell it is just hit this blue button. So we're gonna go ahead and hit that, and then we get to do set price, highest bid, or a bundle. I am just gonna use set price for this instance. We can set it to whatever amount you think is worth. We're just gonna do some crazy amount just for fun. Or maybe, maybe someone will purchase it for 1 Ethereum. Highly doubt it. Maybe you will. That'd be amazing. Please don't. But all we gotta do is hit post your listing, and then we are gonna have to pay a gas fee to basically set up our first time to sell on OpenSea. I doubt there's enough in this wallet for this. Yep, that would be the case. So it's going to say insufficient funds. This is the error you will see if you do not have enough Ethereum in your wallet to do this. But for example purposes, let's say this wallet did have enough. You could simply hit confirm over here. It's going to verify basically your ability to sell here, and then you can approve your token, which is basically saying, hey, you are selling this particular NFT, and then you go ahead and hit confirm and you'll be able to sell this NFT. And that's all it takes to sell your NFT, and then you'll know it's purchased once you get an email confirmation saying your item sold for X amount. And that's it. See you guys in the next video.